Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the 3 types of popsicles where it is very refreshing, especially during this hot weather. Yeah, so first of all, I'm gonna make the coconut popsicle. I have this young coconut, guys. At least 1 cup consists of flesh and the water. Yeah, so we're gonna put this one inside. We're gonna blend this. And after that, we're gonna mix that one with a little bit of sugar, just 1 tablespoon. And I have this cornstarch. Yeah, I cook this 50-50. That means half water and half of the cornstarch, and then you cook it in a slow flame. Yeah, and this is the result. So I just put 1 tablespoon. Yeah, and we're gonna blend this. And now we just put this one in the molder. Yeah, just cover. So this is done, one, and we're gonna do next one. Yeah, okay guys, the next one that we're gonna make is a mango. Yeah, so I have this 1 mango actually. Yeah, or 2 cups of mango. Make sure that your mango is sweet. Yeah, and we just puree this, and I'm gonna mix with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of honey, and we just puree this. Yeah, okay. And I have this kiwi. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put both sides of the molder with the kiwi. Yeah, and I just pour this mango in between of the kiwi. Have to bang that, make sure that there's no air or any space in between. Yeah, and we just cover this. Okay, this is done. So done, and now I'm gonna do the last one. Yeah, so guys, the last one that we're gonna make is the watermelon. I'm having this watermelon. Yeah, put inside the blender, and I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So now we're gonna blend this. Yeah, so guys, we are done doing this. Now we're gonna transfer this one in the molder. Okay, so put in. We just put 3/4, guys, because we're gonna put some orange juice inside. Okay, so 3/4, and then I have this orange juice, 1 orange juice. Yeah, I just put half tablespoon inside. I just cut it just a chunks. Yeah, and drop inside. Okay, then I'm gonna cover this. So I done 3 types of popsicle, and I'm gonna put this one in the fridge for 6 hours. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in 6 hours time. Yeah.